Here it is, y'all.
What's up, guys? This is Ryan Smith. Thank you for checking out this video. As always, I've got my Weber kettle set up for smoking, and I'm gonna cook a couple awesome pork tenderloins. Hey guys, it's really simple. I've got a couple pork tenderloins here, and I'm just gonna be using a couple ingredients to go with those. I'll have some yellow mustard just to use as a binder, and some of this Mccormick's Chipotle roasted garlic seasoning as the rub. I've taken a knife and cleaned up just a little bit of the fat and silver skin off of these. I didn't get too crazy. I'm just going to leave them alone. That's good enough for me. I'm going to take just a little bit of yellow mustard and put on these for a binder. Try not to get it all over you like I did. I'm going for simplicity, and I'm using this Mccormick's Grill Mate Chipotle roasted garlic seasoning. I'm just going to use this for a rub. It's got a really good smell to it. I'm going to just coat these all over with it. Now, I already have my Weber kettle set up for smoking, and if you need to know how to do that, I've got a video on it, and I'll put a link to it. And I've got some hickory wood on there, and I'm going to keep the temp down probably around 225, 250 for the first hour, and let those tenderloins take on a little bit of smoke flavor. And then after that, I'll probably get the temp up and finish them off, get them up to around 150 or 55 degrees, and take them off and let them rest. Put them on the side away from the coals, let them cook indirectly. Get this lid on here and let these babies cook. Hey guys, it's been close to an hour. I've went ahead and opened up the vents on the grill. I've got it up, getting pretty hot right now, and these tenderloins, they're kind of small, and they've already come up to about 130 degrees. They're taking on some really good color. I flipped them around, and I'm going to let them cook for a little while at a higher temp, bring them up to about 150 degrees, and then I'll probably pull them off. I'll show them to you. Wish you guys could smell these. As you can tell, they're taking on some really good color. Won't be long, we'll be ready to pull them off. Hey guys, check out this color. These babies are done. I'm going to pull them and tin them with a little bit of aluminum foil and let them rest just a few minutes, and we'll slice into them. Look at the juice coming out of that. Hey guys, as always, thanks for checking out this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Let me know in the comments below how you like to cook your tenderloin. Check out a few of my other videos if you haven't already, and God bless you.